In this lecture, we're going to learn more about organizational politics, or the invisible system of power and social influence that exists within companies. Some of you in this class may think that you don't have any power as an undergraduate student. Through this lecture, you will learn that that is not the case. You do have power. Power is something you can start developing today, and I hope you will continue to develop throughout your career.
Managers who use their power more effectively tend to benefit from all kinds of things: earlier promotions, increased career mobility, higher pay, and higher performance. It makes sense to start developing your power now so that when you enter the workforce, you already have some of the skills that you'll need to succeed in your job, but also potentially move into a management position. By the time you finish this lecture, you should be able to describe power in your own words and explain the 5 bases or sources of power, as well as the 9 influence tactics we often use to make things happen in our organizations. Let's start with power. Organizational psychologists define power as the capacity to influence other people to achieve goals. It refers to A's capacity to influence B's behavior so that it's in accordance with A's wishes. We can have power without actually using it. For example, you have the power to evaluate my performance at the end of the semester, but if you don't fill out the evaluation form, you don't exercise your power. Power is a function of dependence. The amount of dependence in the relationship dictates how much power one party has over the other. So for instance, the greater B's dependence on A, the greater is A's power in the social relationship. Dependence then is a function of the resources that A has and B's perception of those resources, things like money, the authority to hire and fire people. Other people then will only have power over you if they have something that you want.